Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious whipped cream sandwich. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are thoroughly chilled. This simple preparation ensures your whipped cream will be light and airy, forming the perfect base for your delightful treat. Now, let's create that perfect whipped cream. Pour your 1 cup of chilled heavy cream into the cold bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin whipping on medium-high speed. Watch carefully. You want soft, billowy peaks that hold their shape. Stop just before it becomes stiff to prevent a grainy texture, ensuring a smooth, luscious filling. With your whipped cream ready, it's time for assembly. Take one of your prepared cookies or cake layers. Using a piping bag or a spoon, apply a generous, even layer of whipped cream onto its flat side. Then, carefully place another cookie or cake layer on top, gently pressing down to form your sandwich. Repeat this delightful process for all your treats, creating a beautiful stack. Finally, for the best experience, refrigerate your assembled whipped cream sandwiches for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial. It allows the whipped cream to firm up slightly and the flavors to fully meld together. When you're ready to indulge, serve them immediately. Enjoy the delightful contrast of the soft cream and your chosen cookie or cake, a truly satisfying homemade dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.